The world's eyes are on Zimbabwe as President Mnangagwa drops a bombshell on Starlink's operations. Here's the full scoop. So back in the day, Zimbabwean tech enthusiasts were buzzing with excitement about Starlink's promise of high-speed internet. But then, out of nowhere, President Mnangagwa slammed on the brakes. According to ICT Minister Tatenda Mavatera, Mnangagwa didn't just ban the sale of Starlink devices, he also put a stop to any servicing of these devices by unauthorized dealers. Why, you ask? Word on the street is Mnangagwa's got a plan. By tightening the reins, he's paving the way for Wicknell Chivayo to swoop in and snag the exclusive tender to operate Starlink. This move has left many fuming and questioning the real motives behind it. Is it a crackdown on unauthorized dealers or a power play for control? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding drama in Zimbabwe's tech scene. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tech news.